off. While rounding off measurements, we are going to follow following rules. Rule number 1. If the digit to be dropped is less than 5, then the preceding digit is left unchanged. Right? For example, this is 7.82, 6.81, 3.42, 5.12. I have to write all these figures in two significant figures. राइट अभी सब के सब तीन तीन सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर में है, हमें इसको दो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर में लिखना. राइट व्हेन आई हैव टू राइट 7.82 in two significant figures, I have to drop 2. Since 2 is less than 5, then preceding digit will remains unchanged. That is, this will be 7.8. Similarly, if I have to drop 1 to write 6.81 in two significant figure, this 8 will remains unchanged because 1 is less than 5, 6.8. In 3.42, if I want to write this figure in two significant figures, then I have to drop 2 and result will be 3.4. Similarly, in 5.12, if I want to write 5.12 in two significant figures, I have to drop 2, and in that case result will be 5.1. Second rule is, if the digit to be dropped is more than 5, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. राइट जिसको आप ड्रॉप कर रहे हो, अगर वो 5 से ज़्यादा है तो उससे पहले वाली डिजिट एक बढ़ जाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ इट इज 6.87 and 12.78, right, and I have to round off in two significant figures, right. So in that case what will happen? In two significant figure I have to drop 7, right, and your answer will be 6.9 because 7 is greater than 5, and when you are dropping a number greater than 5, then preceding digit will increased by 1 unit. Similarly, in this case 12.78, you have to write in two significant figure, you have to drop 7, 7 is greater than 5, then the preceding digit will be how much? 13, not 13.0, because in 13.0 there will be three significant figures. ठीक है. Now third rule is, if the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is left unchanged if it is even. What do you mean? For example, if you have this digit 3.25, and if you have to write in two significant figure, then you have to drop 5, and since preceding digit is 2 and it is even, there will be no change in this preceding digit, that is in 2, that this will be 3.2. Similarly, if it is 3.250 and you have to write in two significant figures, then again you have to drop 5, and 5 is followed by 0. Again there will be no change in this number if it is even. So this again it will be 3.2. ठीक है. If the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit, this and this, is left unchanged if it is even. Clear? अगर यहाँ पे 4 भी होता, if it is 3.45, it will be 3.4. Clear हो गया? Next. next rule is, if the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by zeros, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. Take one example, that if it is 3.750, right, and I have to write this digit in two significant figure, then I have to drop 5. 5 is followed by 0 and preceding digit is 7, which is odd. Then if the digit to be dropped is 5 or 5 followed by 0, here 5 is followed by 0, then the preceding digit, this 7, is raised by 1 if it is odd, right? This will be 3.8 by 1 if it is odd. ठीक है. Similarly, if it is 3.75 and I have to write this digit, this figure into two significant figure, I have to drop the 5. When I will drop the 5, preceding digit will increase by 1 unit and this will be 3.8. Clear हो गया? Now next one. Now next one is, if the digit to be dropped is 5 followed by digit other than 0, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. Just take one example. It is 6.151 and 7.253 and 3.456 and 7.457, right? Now I have to write all these figures in two significant figure. When I am going to write in two significant figure, I have to drop 5. When I will drop the 5, 5 is followed by 1, here 5 is followed by 3, 5 is followed by 6, 5 is followed by 7. Then what is the rule? If 5 followed by digit other than 0, then the preceding digit raised by 1. All 5 are followed by non-zero digit, then the preceding digit will increased by 1. That will be 6.2, 7.3, 3.5 and 7.5. Now these were the rules for rounding off. Clear? If the number you are dropping is greater than 5, then preceding digit will increase by 1 unit. If dropping digit is less than 5, preceding digit remains unchanged. If you are dropping 5 or 5 followed by 0 and preceding digit is even, then preceding digit remains unchanged. If you are dropping 5 or 5 followed by 0 and preceding digit is odd, then preceding digit is increased by 1. Now if you are dropping 5 and 5 is followed by non-zero digits, then preceding digit is increased by 1. And one thing very important, only the final result should be round off using the rules stated here, right? Intermediate result should never be round off. ठीक है?